Welcome back, my dear ethical hackers. Let us continue exploring how we can use Nmap for active scanning. In the previous video, we used -st and -ss. -ss was basically for scan or stealth scan, and -st was for scanning the TCP protocol. Now, what if you want to scan the UDP protocol? For that, you will be using -su. If the UDP is running, that will be scanned, otherwise it will give you empty results. In the previous one, we already saw how we can use the -st and we got the output. And what if we want to scan multiple IP addresses or scan a range of IP addresses? We will discuss that as well in this video. So let's get started. We'll go to Kali Linux and let us run sudo nmap -su and try to find the IP address that has got SU running. Here we don't have any SU running. I'm not expecting any results here. I'm just trying to scan the Metasploit table. Press enter. This is the IP of my Metasploit table. Scanning the UDP protocol can take a long time. While that's happening, let us see if we can open yet another terminal and see if we can perform multiple scans. Okay, how do we perform multiple scans? What if I want to scan more than one IP address? For that, this will be the command. As you can see, we can have multiple IPs. You put the IP address of the first one, IP address of the second machine, and IP address of the third device that you want to scan. Just keep a space in between each IP address, and this is how you can scan multiple IP addresses. Let's do that hands-on now. So here you will see that we already have sudo nmap -st or -ss 192.168.38.136. That is the IP address of my Windows. 192.168.38.137. This is the IP address of my Metasploit table, and I do not know the IP address of my Kali. Let's find that out. So I'm just opening yet another instance, and our tried and tested ifconfig command is finding the IP address 192.168.38.132. Since there are multiple network cards which you created earlier, there are multiple IP addresses. So select the one that is having a common subnet. So 38.132, that will be the common subnet for this one. So let's put that as well, 192.168.38.132. So we are going to scan Windows, Metasploit table, and Kali itself. Let's press enter. This is how we scan 3 IP addresses or multiple IP addresses as one. Username is Kali, password is Kali. This may take a while, but it's worth it. It's scanning 3 IP addresses. And that's it. You can see that it has scanned multiple IP addresses. Okay, so it has scanned Kali, it has scanned Windows, and it has scanned Metasploit table, and it's giving you the details of all the 3. Pretty cool, right? In one single command, you are getting to scan multiple IP addresses just by putting a space between the IP addresses. Let us clear off the screen, and let's see if we can scan a range of IP addresses. And what if you want to scan IP addresses from this range to that range? For that, you will say sudo nmap -st 192.168.38. The starting IP address, let us say the starting IP address might be 100, and go on till the end, that is going to be 137. So we'll scan the range of IPs from 100 to 137. There's going to be 37 IP addresses. So that's what we do over here. As you can see, that's what we discussed. If you want to scan a range of IPs, your command would be the range starting, put a dash, and then the end. So here it will scan from 128 to 133. The hands-on exercise, I'm showing you from 100 to 137. Just press enter. This will take a little while and scan the same 3, because right now only 3 are running. But in the real world, we could have multiple, sometimes hundreds of devices running, and it would scan all of those. That's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video. In this video, we learned how we can scan the ranges, we scan multiple, and we scan the UDP. In the next video, we are going to see how we can scan the entire subnet and the operating systems and a lot more. See you in the next video.